now we're back with our wok. And I'm gonna heat this up. I'm gonna do some frying over here. Are we gonna pour the oil in?
Yeah.
So, how much oil do we need?
You just pour.
Just pour?
Yeah.
That's how we Asian cook, you know?
Yeah. When I ask you stop, then you stop. Normally how we ask people to stop is hope.
Yeah, hope.
Okay.
You didn't say hope!
Okay, enough.
All done. How do you know the oil is hot enough?
I just estimate.
This is our Malaysian style of cooking, which is agak-agak.
Yeah. Everything I just agak-agak.
When you bake, you have to measure
But
everything.
the one is you must be very accurate.
Yeah, for baking you have to be like super accurate, otherwise your cake won't rise. It will, which is why Shang loves that, because he like accuracy. I hate that.
Shang can make a very good carrot cake.
Yeah, he loves making like carrot cake. Oh my god, he makes like really.
For my birthday.
No.
My birthday.
No, he made a pineapple upside down cake for your birthday.
I have a good memory.
Yeah, right. You're old.
Thank you. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. But actually, I'm happy. Eh?
I love Malaysia because it's like, it's warm.
It's too hot.
No, I love it.
And we are shooting without the fan, you know that? Oh my god. Alright.
This is the shield. Every time I'm frying something,
Yes.
I always
Why I don't have a shield? Why I don't have a shield?
You don't need a shield.
We're going to put the drumstick one by one.
How long are we gonna fry it for?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Do you need to flip it along the way?
Yeah.
Okay, so about like 7 minutes we start flipping it.
Maybe 10.
Got an audience right outside watching us filming.
Yeah, our fans.
Yeah, I know, right? We are like local celebrities here in Malaysia. Shield time.
With the plate, the what do you call? The chicken.
Flip it over. It looks really, really nice. Just like you.
I know.
Oh my god, this is so nice. Now we're gonna put this. Oh, this is our pineapple chicken. So what we're gonna do next is just drizzle some pineapple relish on it, right? Okay, so I'll let you do it. So all you need to do is to drizzle some pineapple relish on top of it.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
So if you love more, of course you can put another one. Alright.
That's it.
So I'm going to cut some, what do you call it, a lime? Sorry. You also can squeeze the juice.
Wow, look at, there we go. So we're gonna eat this one because this one looks best. Just give me your fork first. There we go. Yeah, wait. It's quite hot. It's bloody hot.
Just nice. Look how juicy is the chicken. Thank you.
Cheers.
Merry
Cheers.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Mmm. 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 Tasty. Well, you guys should really try this.
Perfect match.
Yeah, chicken and pineapple. Amazing. So, I think that's all for this time. So, try this on out. If you're a busy mom, just throw this in the oven. You can do that as well. And then just drizzle it with the same stuff. But if you want it to be slightly crunchier, a bit more aromatic, just deep fry it. Right. So, thank you very much, Irina, for showing us how to do all this. Although you look like a robot all of the time. So anyways, I love you.
Love you too.
See you later.
You better watch out.
You better don't cry. Oh, no. I'm telling you why.
Santa is
Coming to town. What?